Over the weekend, I had an opportunity to shoot a music video for a friend, and in this video, I want to share with you the most important thing I learned in that process. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin, and over the weekend, I shot my first music video. It was, to say the least, exhausting and hectic, and in hindsight, I should have spent more time creating a shot list. Which brings us to the question, what is a shot list? A shot list is a spreadsheet or document that describes each shot you want to film for your video. This way, instead of improvising and trying to come up with ideas when you are out there shooting, all you have to do is to find the shots you need when you're in the field by looking at your shot list. When we were shooting, I found myself switching locations, switching back, going back and forth between lenses, and all this resulted in a lot of wasted time, and ultimately we ran out of sunlight at the end. And since my friend only had one day to shoot, we were very tight on footage when it came to the final edit. Now, you might be familiar with a storyboard, but I found that drawing out each shot takes a lot of time compared to a shot list where you just describe what you want in each scene. What I do normally, which I should have done with the music video, is to list out each scene I want and then organize them by location and equipment. For example, if I were to use a gimbal in 2 scenes, then it would make sense that I shoot those scenes first before switching equipment. This way I spend less time setting up and balancing the gimbal. For the music video, we had more of a guideline because the artist wanted certain scenes to accompany certain lyrics, so I thought it wasn't as important to get a shot list. But by figuring out the shots we wanted to get on location, it became a mess. There isn't really a right or wrong way of writing out a shot list. There are hundreds of templates out there on the internet. It's all about planning your shots as efficiently as possible. A shot list could also be very useful when it comes to editing because then you would have a formula to edit your videos. So the next time you make a video, think about writing out a shot list. It might help you be faster and quicker when it comes to filming. What do you normally do in your videos? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to know if you script your videos or if you just go off the cuff. As far as the music video, there are a lot of things we still need to reshoot, but hopefully the second time around we'll get it right and take our time to compose the shots. And if you want to learn more about composition, I have a video on that as well, so be sure to check that out. Until then, I will catch you in the next video. See you later. And for people that are still watching, how does this sound like on my new mic? Some people complained that they couldn't hear the audio in some of the other videos, so I got a new mic. Let me know. Bye.